Hello wonderful family, you are welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So let's get right into the video. We are making puff puff without yeast. So in my mixing bowl I have some flour. I'm going to add some salt, which is very important, then my baking powder. I'm going to add some nutmeg and also sugar. Then I'm going to give it a proper mix to make sure that all my ingredients are well combined. After here, the next I am going to add is 1 egg, okay, which is going to give us a very beautiful taste and color. I'm not going to use water, I'm going to use fresh milk, okay, and it's right from the fridge, so it's cold. And it doesn't mean anything. You don't have to worry. You can use room temperature milk, and that's also perfect. Then I'm going to make sure that I mix it so well. So I'm going to go in with my fresh milk, just step by step. I'm not going to add everything at a go. So I want you to note that if you're using baking powder for your puff puff, you want to get that perfect puff puff butter. You want to get that great taste or that perfect taste. You want your butter to come out so smooth. All you have to do is you take your time, about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure that you beat your butter very, very well. Okay, you don't have to stress too much. All you have to do is just to beat your butter so well, and it's going to turn out perfect, so smooth without any lumps. And then you know that you are on your way for something perfect. So at this point, we can see that the butter is looking so beautiful and so nice. I really love the color. You know, your puff puff should always come out with that great color that you desire. So with a wet hand, I'm going to show you how I'm going to scoop this in, and it's so simple. Look at that. It's just like adding yeast, okay? So then you know that beating your butter is very important. At this point, I need a lot of oil in my frying pan. And we all know that puff puff needs a lot of oil, right? Okay, so after testing my oil, now I know it's time to go in with my puff puff butter. So guys, if you're still watching me at this point and you're still not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button, you want to turn on bell notification. All right, so to my returning subscribers, you are not left out. I want to say a very big thank you to you all for sharing, liking and commenting on my videos. Keep the support coming. I'm really enjoying it, and I want to say I love you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay, so this is how our puff puff is looking at this point. I stuffed my oil with a lot of puff puff, so it was hard for it to turn on its own, and it needed help to be turned or it gets burnt. So you also want to note that when you're making puff puff, you don't have to do this with a high heat. Other than that, you are going to get your puff puff burnt. So I lowered my heat to a medium heat, which is not the same heat I started with. Okay, so you want to take notes of that. Now our puff puff is looking beautifully well, and it's so nice. I'm going to open this for us to see. Oh wow. And this didn't last for an hour in my home. I mean, it's ended up in tears. Okay, guys, so hope you try this at home. If you don't have that yeast at home, don't stress yourself, don't beat yourself. Get that baking powder from the kitchen, add it, beat it up, and you get that puff puff you always dream of. Don't stress, okay? So if you are struggling to make a perfect puff puff, don't worry. Just follow the step by step, and you will achieve that result that you always dream of. Don't worry about yeast. So, guys, thank you very much for being here with me today. I want to appreciate you. So, until I come your way again next time, here is Rima Healthy Way. It's bye.